So welcome. This is the meetup today. I hope you're in the right place. Thanks for Vine for hosting us. We super appreciate it. And today we're gonna start with Manny. Will give us more high-level presentation about the future of big data engines. And then Gilad will talk more about Spark. Specifically, an interesting use case of compaction. And then we're going to have the panel, again, more to facilitate discussion and talk about AI and software and data, so more general. And if you're asking why I'm here, so I'm Daniel. I lead the meetup group. And the idea here is to revive. So prior to COVID, there were in-person meetings about Spark, then it moved to online, and then it just fizzled out. So we're trying now to revive, and once a quarter, we're gonna do in-person meetings here in New York. So this is my LinkedIn. I post quite a lot about data mostly. So if you're interested, scan, so get your QR codes because there are gonna be a few of those. So now I'm gonna give a few slides about community announcements. So QR code are gonna be useful. And I said community, we do have, we are the sponsors DataFlint. We have an open source. So I won't talk about a product. And I thought about like maybe showing the open source. It's super useful to practitioners. But then I said maybe ChatGPT will do it better. So I record this prior. I asked it, I want to debug and optimize Spark jobs. Which open source tool you recommend should I use? And now he's thinking for like half a minute. I did it in a few seconds, so fast forward, and then DataFlint, right? So it says why, last commit from like a few weeks. Good job, Manny. And all the various features. At the end, we help debug and optimize Spark jobs. It's open source. Few lines of code. Super useful. ChatGPT tells you everything you need to know. It's the only community project that's both current and convenient. So super cool. There are a few other projects, but they're not maintained for like years. So that's our open source. Again, there's the QR code. Do scan. Hit us with a star. And we're super excited about the open source. Also, I write about big data. I have a Substack. So previously, there was a really successful post about Spark Connect. It's a new feature at Spark 4.0 that was recently released. So if you're interested, again, feel free to follow. And last, this is the community. We're going to do both on Meetup, on meetup.com, and also on lu.ma. So you can follow future events. And that's it. Now we're going to move to Manny, our first speaker. So Manny.